Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here in the garden on a very cold day. It's mid-February, and I never got around in the fall time to getting some seeds from our wonderful marigold flowers in the garden here. And I just realized a couple days ago that I should do that. So here I am today. You can see all the little remnants of the flowers. You can just take these little buds down, and inside are the wonderful flowers that you can, or the seeds I should say, to grow more flowers. So I'm just going to grab a bunch. This one was probably the biggest marigold we have. I'm going to take a bunch from here, and I'll take some from some of the other ones as well, some of the smaller ones that were out kind of among the peppers and the tomatoes. But I'm going to collect them in this nice paper bag and put them away, and then in another couple weeks we'll be starting some new ones growing. So if you haven't seen it, in our garden these were actually just beautiful flowers all through the growing season. Yeah, the chilies just continue to go crazy here. I think they really like growing among the marigolds, and this marigold is just huge. I don't think I've ever seen one this big. It's really crazy. Like, they're really liking growing next to each other. So that's really cool. And I'm pretty confident that they did actually help protect our peppers and our tomatoes from a variety of pests. So yeah, check it out and start growing some marigolds in your garden next season. See you guys in a bit. Wanted to keep it as a short one, but I'll let you guys know how they grow again in the next season. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see that.